Hello, beautiful souls. How are you all? I hope you are fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to your go-to channel for all natural beauty and wellness tips. Today, I'm excited to share an incredible DIY face mask that's been dubbed the Botox face mask. This natural remedy can help you achieve smooth, youthful skin without the need for expensive or invasive treatments. Let's dive into how you can create and use this amazing mask right at home. Botox treatments are renowned for their ability to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, giving the skin a smoother, more youthful appearance. While Botox injections involve using a neurotoxin, our DIY version harnesses the power of natural ingredients that can provide similar skin tightening and rejuvenating effects. The key ingredients in our Botox face mask are egg white, cornstarch, and lemon juice. Egg white is a fantastic natural ingredient known for its skin tightening properties. It helps to firm the skin, minimize pores, and reduce the appearance of fine lines. The proteins and vitamins in egg white also nourish the skin, giving it a healthy, radiant glow. Cornstarch acts as a gentle exfoliant and helps to smooth the skin's texture. It absorbs excess oil, leaving your skin feeling fresh and matte. Additionally, cornstarch enhances the mask's consistency, making it easy to apply and remove. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It brightens the skin, fades dark spots, and promotes collagen production. The natural acids in lemon juice also help to exfoliate the skin, removing dead cells and revealing a more youthful complexion. To create this Botox face mask, follow these simple steps. Ingredients: gather 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and a few drops of fresh lemon juice. Mixing: in a clean bowl, whisk the egg white until it becomes frothy. Add the cornstarch and lemon juice, and mix well until you have a smooth, consistent paste. Application: start with a clean, dry face. Using a clean brush or your fingertips, apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye and mouth areas. Drying time: allow the mask to dry completely, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. As the mask dries, you will feel it tightening on your skin. Rinsing: once the mask is fully dry, gently rinse it off with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry with a clean towel and follow up with a gentle moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. For best results, use this Botox face mask once or twice a week. With regular use, you'll notice your skin becoming firmer, smoother, and more youthful. It's a natural, affordable way to pamper your skin and achieve that radiant, glowing look we all desire. Thank you for tuning into Glam and Glow Organically. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more natural beauty tips and DIY recipes. Share your experiences and results in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, stay radiant and naturally beautiful.